welcome to the channel. Pretty excited with what's going to be happening. Really looking forward to bringing some neat content. Got lots of plans coming up in the near future. Going to be planning some runs, obviously covering the runs, see where we decide to actually take our trips. A couple of neat things that are coming up in the beginning of April. We're going to be going to a truck fest down in Puyallup, Washington. It's going to be kind of cool. We're going to be meeting up with a few vendors down there, doing a couple of reviews, and of course bringing that content to you. It's going to be neat because we're going to see a couple different rooftop tents while we're down there, and hopefully I can get some good reviews and some input from the factory. Anyways, the last meetup that we had was fun. We had a few people show up. It was the first meeting for Overland Alberta, and not going to be the last for sure, but will be good. On a side note, really wanted to kind of ask everyone what they wanted to do for overland runs. I know we've got a lot of overland expos that are coming up, and but, you know, specific runs you guys wanted to do. I know there's been some mention of heading out to Limestone, and we're about to hit a nice big train track. There we go. But might be fun to go to Limestone. What other ideas do you guys have? I'd be interested in hearing them. And maybe we can get together and kind of plan a trip out there. It'd be kind of fun. Another idea I had for the channel was potentially, you know, doing different recipes, because when you're out overlanding, having different recipes to look at is sometimes kind of a fun thing, which is kind of neat. There's some really cool setups out there, and there's some really good chefs. So I'm kind of interested to see what you guys do actually when it comes to camping outdoors. Another aspect of the channel that I think would be really cool is to do featured builds. Get a couple different vehicles and how they decided to build it for overlanding. There's a lot of different types of vehicles out there, from Land Rovers to Land Cruisers, obviously Jeeps, 4Runners. There's a lot of guys who are getting into it who bike. It'd be really interesting to see how their setups are for you know, what they're doing. How are they camping? How are they cooking? There's a lot of really cool ideas and setups out there, so I definitely want to start bringing more of that content to the channel as well. We're at the Sheraton in Red Deer. We're gonna go see the MHT wheel display. I do work in the aftermarket, so it's kind of cool. Get to see what new rims are out. Kind of see what fuel has to offer. It's a big fuel display, so pretty excited to see what's going on. I will take some video and shoot some of the new rims that are out, and looking forward to this. Should be pretty fun. Hey everyone, really happy to bring this channel to you guys. Very excited about new things that are coming out, some possibilities of what's going to happen. So we actually had our first Alberta Overland meeting here on the 9th, and it was cool to see some of the other rigs and everything that were out there. Don't you think, Joy?
Yes.
That was totally unrehearsed, by the way. 100% natural. That was the best response I could ever have gotten.
What day did we do that?
It was that's March the 9th. Yeah, it was a good day.
What else is going to be on this episode?
I have no Oh my god, I think this was just going to go to the edit file.
We need to get a coffee.
Okay, I think I'm just going to turn this off until I get a coffee, because